So in this video, I'm gonna explain the sharing features. So you can share your budget with people if you just go to share, and you can enter their email address, um, and then press done, or you can get a shareable link and then you can send it to them, however you like, and they'll click on the link and it'll just bring your budget up. You can also click on advanced, and it has more options and stuff for you. So let's go back to share. Um, this under this pencil, you can choose what you want the person that you're sending it to be able to do. So if you want them to edit, if you want them just to comment, and if you want them to just view it, then you'll just click whatever you want them to do. And then you press send and done, and it'll send to them, and they can comment, view, or edit whatever they want on your budget, etc. So it's really it's basically like every other thing that we've done, and we had to share it. You just click share and enter the person's information, and it'll get to them. Thank you.